Good morning, everybody. Today we want to learn expression of numbers in base 10. Let's take a look at this number 450 in base 10. It's already in base 10, but we want to express it as in to expand it. So when you are to do that, multiply each digit by a power of 10, always ending with what? With 0. This is what I have. I have 4 times 10 raised to power 2 plus 5 times 10 raised to power 1 plus 0 times 10 raised to power 0. You can see it means you must always start from 0. That's from the right hand side. That's from the end of the number back to the beginning of the number. You start from 0. That's 0, 1, 2. Since the number is in base 10, you express it that way. So you have 4 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2, then plus 5 times 10 raised to power 1. It means that actually this 4 is going to go with 2, this 5 is going to go with 1, and this one is going to go with 0, since there are 3 numbers. So the highest power of 10, since the base is 10, it's going to be 2. So that's what you have as a way of expanding number. So even if you have this number in base 8, you also expand it like that. Instead of 10, you use 8 to replace 10. You use 8 to replace 10. If it is 5, you use 5 to replace 10. That's if the base is, you understand? So that's it. So that is a way of expanding what a written number. So this is also referred to as what? Expanded form of a given number. So we call it what? Way of expanding number. So now I want to look at conversion of numbers to base 10. Okay, that same techniques we just finished talking about is the same way, same process we follow when you are converting numbers to base 10. Take note of that, please. So here we consider the first one, which is 10, 111, 11 base 2. We want to convert it to base 10. What do? You expand it the same way. We discovered that the last one will go with what? 0. This last one here go with 0. Then go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the highest power of 2, since it's in base 2, is going to be 6. So you expand it that way by multiplying each section of the terms. So you have 1 times 2 raised to power 6 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 5 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3, so on and so forth to what? 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So when you simplify that, you obtain this 2 raised to power 16. You know you might have to do what? You have to do what you call power before multiplication. So we'll first do all the power first. First subject the power to a whole numbers. 2 raised to power 6 gives us what? 64. 2 raised to power 5 gives us 32. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 2 raised to power 1 is 2. And 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So when you multiply, they multiply before you do the addition. So after multiplication, you have this. Okay, then you go ahead and add them together and you obtain 95. And that 95 is going to be in base 10. So this is a simple way of converting numbers. I hope this is well treated. Please stay tuned for the next post. Please don't forget to subscribe and add your comments. Okay, so it's just a little way to share knowledge in this format. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Remember, knowledge is power. Without knowledge, the life becomes static.